Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and speed test of the x796w by HP, and it is one of the metal pen drive which is available for a very affordable price guys. And here is the 64 GB variant, as you all can see, with all this MRP and all. And I just purchased this for a lesser price compared to what it is given over here. And you all can just check out the link in the description to buy this particular pen drive guys. And let us just go and unbox this. And most of the people will be asking me which is an alternate pen drive to the SanDisk ones. So if you don't like SanDisk, or if you have any issue with the SanDisk, then HP is the way to go guys. And in my particular case guys, I found this to be very enticing. And again, you have some kind of protective mechanism for the USB over here. And with this particular latch guys, you can either enable the USB or you can hide it for safety purpose and all. And it is having this nice golden texture, shimmery kind of thing. And it's a metal pen drive obviously, so it is just going to be cool. And sometimes it get warm, maybe in my test, because I was running continuously on this. But again, if you see the look and the build finish guys, it is next level. And it really kind of a pen drive which can leave an impression in the first glance guys. And let me know in the comments below which kind of pen drives are you all using, and if you all want me to unbox any other pen drive in my further reviews and all. So let us just go and do a speed test for this, because no matter how good looking a pen drive is, if it is not performing well, definitely it won't be passing my test. Also, we have done a lot of unboxing and speed test of other pen drives also, so do check that out. Check out the I button in the link, and you can find out some other videos also with other pen drives also. So again guys, the history is not so good with HP pen drives. Again, they are very slow, but this pen drive is looking fabulous guys, especially the metal build and having this golden kind of texture. It is one of the first pen drives which I have seen in my career, and I think it is one of the good looking pen drives if I say. And but the size is pretty big, so carrying will be an issue for y'all. And this comes with USB 3.1, one of the good looking pen drive again. Check out the link in the description for more information. Also, let us just go and do a speed test comparison with this. I've been using this maybe around 2 to 3 days, and after doing this, I'm coming to a conclusion that it is performing quite good, but not better than SanDisk, I would say guys. And let me just show you. Also, we'll be doing a complete comparison between the SanDisk dual drive and this, so in our future video, so do check it in out. And most of y'all people who had been wondering what system I'm using, so I'm using the MSI Prestige 14 Core i5 laptop for this, and I'm using the Crystal disk mark the Crystal disk mark 64-bit for doing all this comparison. And I can also do it on Mac, but most of y'all users are using Windows system, so I think it's a fair comparison to do it only on Windows. This current system is supporting USB 3.2, so you can easily run the 3.1 USB on this, and for doing speed test comparison etc guys. And it is pretty fast, and it also supports Thunderbolt. Let me just show you what speed we get. So basically we have the read speed as 33 Mbps, now it is changed to 34. Again, we'll have a look at this once everything is complete, so that we get the clear picture whether it is worth buying this pen drive or it is worth skipping and looking elsewhere. So in my case guys, in my previous videos, if y'all are subscriber for a very long time, y'all must be knowing that HP pen drive are not doing that great. But I hope this is going to change, especially the x796w pen drive is going to change this. And again, I'm will be able to recommend if it is better or not. So again, for USB 3.1, that is like the first generation of USB 3 I guess. So this kind of speed is quite normal. And if you all are having a USB 3 guys, so you all won't be having any issues if you all are buying this. But again, the major missing what I feel is the type C. At least they should have given a type C connector as an alternative, because now if you are using with a MacBook, definitely you don't have to carry a OTG connector to connect to it, and this can get connected to your iPhone, or sorry, Android phone or the MacBook, provided you all are using the OTG connector. I have been using this with my MacBook Pro, using the OTG connector which I'm having, and I think the speeds are quite decent, guys. Especially you can see if the write speed is about 24 Mbps or 25 Mbps in this case. So again, the speed difference varies between test to test, so this is sort of an approximation. And in real life, guys, I don't think so you are going to have any issues, especially if you are using smaller files like the Excel files or Word document. If you are buying primarily for this, go for it. If you all are a big fan of HP and if you like gold color, then this is the pen drive to get. Else you can check out other competitors pen drives, especially even HP is having a Type-C connector, I guess. So if possible, I'll try to do unboxing and speed test of that too. Again, please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to press that bell notification icon so that you get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also follow us on social media on like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, so we keep posting updates regarding this particular channel. So let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, whether you all are thinking of buying an HP or you all are already using an HP or some pen drive from other manufacturers and all. And this is a speed test, guys. Again, the result will vary, and basically I feel that if the read speed is 34 Mbps and the write speed is close to maybe like 24.94 Mbps, I think it's a pretty good pen drive. And let me just remove it from this and check out how it feels. And it is not that warm, guys, it is pretty cold, because I guess there is a plastic container over here, and as you can see the speed is also quite good. So definitely I can recommend this if you are buying this below 1000 rupees, and check out the link in the description. So if you are thinking of buying this golden color HP pen drive, and stay tuned to my other videos, guys, because I'll be comparing this with the scientist also in the future. And I kind of like this mechanism, but again this can fail in the future after reads and writes, I know, after using it for a very long time. So in my opinion, take it with a pinch of salt that this mechanism is going to last for a very long time or not. And again, you have this lanyard attachment and all, you can use with lanyards and other things. And looking at the speed, guys, it is pretty decent. I definitely would recommend this if you all have budget for this, and it is just 64 and available with other capacity too. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and press that bell notification icon, and do also check out these awesome videos which we already have on our channel. Again, this particular playlist which we have it, and again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.